Welcome back to Tanvir's Digital Desk. In this video, I'll show you how to upscale an image using Canva. Let's dive right in. First, go to canva.com and click on Create a Design. Upload your image and click on the Use in a Design button. Select Custom Size, and Canva will automatically show your image's dimensions. Click on Create New Design, wait a few seconds, and then delete your image from the canvas. Next, go to the Apps section and scroll down to find the Image Upscaler app. Open the app and upload your image again. You'll see options to upscale by 2x, 3x, 4x, and 8x. In this case, I select 3x and click on the Upscale Image button. After a few seconds, you'll see the upscaled image alongside the original resolution. Finally, download your upscaled image. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tutorials. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. See you next time.